what they call monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and for them, there's no other animals that can match the ability of the monkey when it comes to hunting and foraging. It is usually performed by the younger generation as a part of their training, playtime, or pastime for them. While the elders or their parents is busy inside the jungle, searching or hunting for their food. Okay, once again po, monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. Here's fighting or into a tribal war. For going to another dapat they're going to perform first this ritual dance in front of their God's name. Ako na mangyari. To give them a victory fight or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful way. And for them po, the best dancer will be the best fighter or warrior for their tribe. As you can see, they're holding a real bow and arrow. In Tagalog, that's what we call pana at palako. In their dialect po, they call that as yawo, as pagi. So watch out po because sometimes in the end of the presentation, accidentally they release that. They usually po sinasamahan those who are wearing light color or yung may kakulay ng bahag nila.
Red dog. Yun lang pala yun.
And everybody knows